Anyone else having one of them weeks like I am? Literally, wrong parts all week. I was at this job yesterday. All we're doing is debushes. Couldn't even get that right. Anyway, what am I doing for you today? We're doing, literally, Citroën, you can see that, Citroën C3, and we're doing some debushes. Not too hard, is it? Quite an easy job, straightforward, to the point. So yeah, let's get on with it, because I just need to be done with this week, I tell you. What a terrible, terrible week it's been. Terrible. Anyway, how's your week going, guys? Drop it down below, let us know. Hopefully better than mine, because literally I've had to cancel, move, multiple jobs that started from Monday to Thursday, and I haven't been able to get 2 jobs done because I keep getting the wrong parts and this, that and the other. What a nightmare. Anyway, let's get on with it. Take this little thing off, because you gotta, there we have it. Take those out. Oh, and if you got one of these, make sure you do get the right bushes, because there is 2 different types for these. Well, there's not. There's actually one, but obviously I got the wrong ones yesterday. They were for a different Citroën. You need the square ones, and if you need the part number, that's the part number for you. I had to go to the main dealer for these. They actually sold me these Delphi ones, because if you want to get them any other way, you have to buy it with the anti-roll bar from the dealer, because they come as part of the bar. Not separate. They don't have the splitting. So like these ones, you've got to cut these ones off to pop them in. But anyway, anywho, let's get on with it. So, how you got to do these ones? It's an 18mm. I'll show you so we can get you in this. You see there, see that nut on top? I'll put an arrow to it so then you can see what I'm doing. But I'm just going to squeeze my gun in there, whip it off, and then that gets the bracket, and then we're going to cut the old bush, okay? All right. Ah! No, stop. Right, so this is how I'm doing mine. See, like this, just to get it loose. Okay. Spin it back up a bit. Just do be careful, because obviously my gun's touching against stuff back there. You don't want to be hitting it. But that's how I got it loose. And then I'm going to use my little ratchet and just ratchet it out. I don't even need to ratchet that. They'll come out my fingers up. Oh no, look at that. Probably because I had this out yesterday and realised they were the wrong bush, I suppose. But there we have it. Yeah, so obviously I was here yesterday when I got given the wrong parts yesterday. And they were the wrong bushes. And then, like I said, I had to contact the dealer, get the right ones. But like I said, they wanted to charge, what was it, like 300 quid for a new anti-roll bar? But the guy on the end of the phone, luckily, he sourced these, which was quite nice. But yeah, 380 quid plus VAT for a new anti-roll bar is what they want to sell you. Ridiculous, but oh well. Okay. All right, that's your bolt out. Yeah, to the point, easy. And then obviously, see this bracket? Just literally grab the bracket, give it a wiggle and a wiggle and a pull, a wiggle and a pull. I'm trying to keep you in here. Come on. Hang on. Right, let me get this hand in. 2 seconds. Let me pull this out. I need both my hands. And there you have it. See the little tab at the bottom? See that little there? That kind of like hooks in and then drops over. So that's how it locks into place. Not too bad really, was it? No, not at all. Alright, so this is what you want. See this little knobbly bit? That goes through the top of the bracket. So when you push it all the way through, that goes through. So the little knobbly bit goes through there. So when it drops down, that's how you know it's located. So now I'm going to have to cut that off because it doesn't fit. And this one does actually marry up. So you see here, there's a little wedge there where it marries up. So that's sweet. Happy days, we've got the right one today. Finally, we can get rid of this job, but what a rubbish week. It really has been a rubbish week. Literally, this one, been meant to be doing a brake caliper on a car. Can't even get a brake caliper right at these part suppliers. I went to Euros the first time, they got it wrong. Gone to a separate one, and guess what? They got it wrong. It's supposed to be in today, the right one. Meant to show up at 11:30, didn't turn up. They had some issue or whatever. Meant to be there at 3:30, didn't show up. So yeah, just lost loads of jobs this week. Great week, just what we need. So yeah, the joys of being self-employed sometimes. It can get very, very, very frustrating. Luckily, like I said, this caliper job, it's my mate. And yeah, because I'd be pretty peeved if I was a customer, I ain't gonna lie. So, all I'm gonna use is this, just to cut the bush, because, you know, obviously there's no splitting it like you would get for the new one. So I'll show you. literally just chop her up. Yeah, saying that, it ain't bloody good though, is it? It's a bit stronger than that, really, but we'll just have to make do. Okay, I'm not going to keep you on for that. This is going to take ages, so I'm just going to cut this off and I'll be right back with you. There we have it. That's the old one. Not a nice cut, but it's all good. Made it. Yeah, they don't come standard with the, obviously, the splitting them, but there we have it. So now, chuck your, chuck your new one over it and do the other side. There you have it, look. Same bush. No problemo. Easy peasy, right? Sure. I'd use a little dab of spray to get it moving then. Probably should have shown you that, but there you go. That's the new one on. Put the bracket on. Straightforward, right? Of course it is. I'm sorry, guys. Can't really show you too much, to be honest with you. It's a bit tight in there, but it's over now. It's not really a lot to really see, but there you go. It's on. Nothing too major. It was alright. Bit of a fight. She's tight. And then just, yeah, tighten her on up. I'm just going to whip this up and then we're done. Well, that's them done now. Bit of a quick video, but see here as well, you need to measure that and make sure that's the same distance on each side as well. Just so the anti-roll bar is obviously sitting in the middle, because, you know, you don't want it any other position really, do you? Because if it's over to one side, possibly could fail, over to the other side, which causes you problems. So I had to measure, knock it up. The bolt for it as well up there, 100 Newton meters. If you like that one, don't forget to like, follow, share, all that good stuff. Drop a comment if it helped you. There you go. Just make sure you get the right bushes. I know this was a quick one, nothing major. Just getting a video up because I haven't recorded much this week, just because it's been a weird week. Anyway, much love, guys.